Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.info, and today I'll tell you how to dropship products from AliExpress. In AliExpress application, you want to search for products with good reviews, low prices, fast shipping and reliable sellers. And these products that you find will be the items that you resell. And I highly recommend you to save the links or images of the product because it will be convenient to you later in your own shop. Next, you want to create a store using external platforms. For example, it could be Instagram shop, TikTok shop, Amazon, whatever suits you the best. And then you want to upload photos that you have saved earlier, write short description to your product, and set your price higher than you will pay on AliExpress so that you can earn some profit. And when someone places an order in your shop, go back to AliExpress, make an order and enter your customer's name and shipping address at the checkout, and the seller on AliExpress will ship the product directly to your customer. And the best thing that you don't need to hold any inventory. That is very convenient for dropshipping. That's basically the function of dropshipping. All you need to do is make sure that you provide your customer with tracking information and answer questions as soon as possible. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.